Okay, we've all seen it, right? And many of us have had the unfortunate experience of looking like we've run a marathon on our knees. You try to be cute, you step out the house, but your knees won't let you be great. In this video, I'm going to show you how something so very simple helped me change my dark knees from looking something like this to where we are today, here. When I was in college, a classmate shared with me that she lightened her dark knees simply by scrubbing them. That's right, scrubbing them. No lotions, no potions, no turmeric, no bleach, no lemon. I tried it and it worked. Let me show you. So what I used to do is lather up my washcloth and sort of gently rub over my skin. And what I found is that doesn't clear up your knees. But if you'll take a little more time, be intentional about bending your knee and scrubbing away the dead skin, in a few weeks to a few months, you'll see that it yields results. Now, I looked for a photo of when my knees were dark, and I couldn't really find one. This is the best I could find, but by this time, I had lightened my knees. However, currently, my elbows are pretty dark, and it shows you that my knees were sort of similar, except my knees were worse.
Yeah, we serve God around these parts. Alpha and Omega, he be finished before we start. The great I am, the one who let us know who we are. Christ the cardiologist created me a clean heart.